Nebo Kericho ele kakeyat factory noton nebo Soin Sugar nemiten kebeberta nebo sub-county noton nebo Soin Sigawet county nebo Kericho. Kaindochi korotan Governor Dr. Eric Mutai nebo county niton ole kamwa kole factory noton kwendi keboisien anan kebendi keboisien shilingishek bilionishek 2.5 ako kwendi company noton kowonguge tekset anan chobet nebo factory noton en kasarta nebo arawek 18.
We have asked the farmers to produce the cane on a yearly basis, because the new varieties will be given to them, and also they will get fertilizer so that the growth of the gains is enhanced.
We'll use the two sites that we have here in Kericho, the FTC and this region, for cane development in our area and be able to supply the farmers. And we'll not just do that alone, we'll do that also plus coffee, so that we ensure that we are able to do coffee and distribute to our farmers, and we also propagate sugar.
Naamini ya kwamba hii Soin Sugar sasa itafufuka na ifufuke vizuri. Tunaamini ya kwamba wale ambao wamekuja kutusaidia kuinvest na kufanya kazi watatufanyia haki.
It gives me a lot of pleasure today to see that Soin Sugar is going to come back. So congratulations. From our side, as the directorate, we'll give you whatever support you need. We have given this factory a lot of support in the past.